In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe your audio or video file in Otter AI and bring those subtitles into Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want a quick and efficient way to turn spoken content into captions for your video, this process is a great option. We'll start by creating the transcript in Otter AI, then export it in the right format, and finally import it into Premiere Pro so you can place it directly on your sequence timeline. First, upload your audio or video file to Otter AI and let the platform transcribe it. Depending on the length of your file, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish processing. Once the transcript is ready, open the transcript page and review it briefly to make sure everything looks correct. This is helpful because any transcription errors will also carry over into your exported subtitle file. Next, go to the export menu on the transcript page. This is usually found under the three-dot menu. From there, choose the option to export your transcript as text or subtitles. You'll then need to select the format that works best for your project. If you want subtitle timing included, choose the subtitles or .srt format. If you only need the raw transcript as plain text, choose the text or .txt format. For Adobe Premiere Pro subtitles, the .srt file is typically the one you'll want. After exporting the file, open Adobe Premiere Pro and go to the File menu, then choose Import. Locate the .srt file you just saved and import it into your project. Once it appears in the project panel, drag the .srt file onto your sequence timeline. Premiere Pro will place it as a subtitle track, allowing you to line it up with your video and review how the captions appear during playback. At this point, it's a good idea to play through the sequence and check the subtitle timing and formatting. Even when the transcription is accurate, small adjustments can improve readability and make the captions feel more polished on screen. That's the full process. Transcribe your file in Otter.ai, export it as an .srt subtitle file, and import that file into Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a simple workflow that can save time and make your editing process much more efficient.